perverted.
No.
This is for Jason. Part 2.
Hey, don't go low. Pervert. People will see me and think I'm a whore. No, I'm not. Mexicans live here. You flash a titty, they'll smell it. Okay.
Shut the door.
Shut the door. Bye-bye. Thank you. Shut the door. Shut the door. No, no, no. Why?